A lot of you desire a defined jawline, and this jawline increases the attractiveness quotient of a face. Now in this video, I'll be telling you how you can achieve that defined, desired jawline without surgery. Yes, you heard it right, without surgery. The way to achieve a sharper and a more defined jawline without surgery is through dermal fillers. Now, dermal fillers, as I've already said in my earlier videos, are hyaluronic acid fillers, and they come in pre-filled syringes, and these we can use to inject on the jawline at strategic areas, and with good placement we can achieve a stronger looking and a more defined jawline for you. Now, as with fillers of the other areas in the jawline also, we use a numbing cream to numb that area which we are going to inject. So all along the jawline we put that numbing cream and we make it sit for about 30 minutes. And after that we use either a needle or a cannula to put the fillers in the right places. Now this is a very nuanced procedure, so it has to be done by a person who is experienced in doing jawline fillers, because there are various blood vessels that we need to take care of, and that is why we need to be mindful of the safety points when we are doing jawline fillers. Now, of course, there are differences between a male and a female jawline, and we need to be mindful of what we are creating with our fillers. Some people may have a defined posterior part of the face but lack the chin projection. But some may have a good chin and lack the posterior projection here. So we need to balance it out. And again, with a female jawline, we need a more V-shaped jawline. In the males, we need a stronger looking jawline. So stronger jaw with more placement of the filler here posteriorly. And again, when we are doing a male chin, we need to make it more masculine. Now in the females, again, when we are doing the chin fillers, we have to be mindful that we make it a little pointed and not very square, because that gives a masculine look. So all these things are to be kept in mind while doing a filler, and of course this needs to be discussed with you when we are doing the procedures. Before that, I have a session with the patient as to what their desires and needs are and whether my procedure will be able to deliver what they are desiring or not. So many a times you don't want to go through lengthy surgeries and a long recovery time, and you still want to have a more defined jawline. So filler is the way. But yes, you have to remember that this is temporary, and it needs to be repeated in roughly about 1 to 1.5 years time, as your need may be. But some of you may want to look your best all the time. So the right time for refill would be around a year's time. But at the same time, you may not need as many ml of filler as you got done previously. So obviously, you need to take it slow and take it easy if you want to have a better looking result for a longer time. But yes, if you want a permanent result, then you know what is the solution, and that is a surgical procedure. For the defined jawline, we can do jaw implants, we can do chin implants, we can do a genioplasty. So all these are procedures, and we have several videos on these topics also. You can go and watch them. And we get several requests for jawline fillers, especially for those patients who are wanting a subtle but enhanced look. So they don't want to go through the hassles of a surgery and recovery time, but they still want to have the best jawline possible, and filler gives you that. Now the important thing about cost. So obviously it will depend on how many mLs we are using for the enhancement of your chin and enhancement of the jawline. Now roughly in the jawline, usually at the angle we need about 1 ml on each side, and on the chin as well, on 1 ml on the chin. So 3 ml definitely, but again it depends if you want a more stronger, more defined, and if your jawline is very recessed and we need a lot of product, then you may well need 5 or 6 ml also for a defined jawline, or even more than that. But again, it is best done in a few sessions rather than all at once. Of course, in surgery, it's a one-time cost and you get permanent results. But yes, there is a surgery and there is a recovery time. So you can take your pick which one you want to choose for yourself. I hope this video has made it a little more clear to you whether what would you want for your jawline definition, fillers or surgery. And if you like this video, do not forget to like it and share it with your friends. Do not also forget to subscribe to our channel SB Aesthetics, and keep watching.